Is your G3 looking worse for wear? I'm going to show you a quick and easy fix on how to clean up your Kirby plastics and rubbers. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Now don't forget everything you're using in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Now with your G3, the main parts that got filthy were the bumpers. Now you can use this on the bumpers. I have fitted a new bumper on this, so there's no need to clean the bumper with it. But as this bumper gets dirty and grimy, I will be cleaning it up. I'll quickly go around and show you where the G3 gets the most dirt and grime. So obviously the bumper, then you've got this rubber here, and it's rubber, not plastic like on the later models of the G4, G5 onwards. The boot would get filthy as well, and then around here this would get really grubby, and as you can see it's really brown and nasty. I've washed it and scrubbed it, but it isn't coming off. Now there is a product I use, and I will put a link in the description below of what I use and where to get it from. So all we're going to do is we're going to clean this part up here first. Like you can see, we've got grime on here and grime on here. You do have to rub it a little bit. It's just a lot easier than trying to scrub it and getting off with dish soap or water. It doesn't touch it half the time. So plenty of polish, and you can see straight away that that is coming up a lot cleaner. And if we go on the rubber, but this works really well at getting all that grounding grime and dirt. You can see it just cleans it up. It gets all the grime and dirt off there. We've got some here. And again, it's coming up and bringing it back up to the original grey colour. It will remove some of the colour bleaching if you've got that. It won't remove it all, but it will get quite a considerable amount off there. As we go into the rubbers, so around the side here, ends up filthy. I'll bring it with the G3 because this one's not that bad. So this is the other G3, and as you can see, that's still a little bit discoloured. It has been cleaned and scrubbed. Let me just put some on. Give it a rub. If you get any excess on the aluminium, don't worry about it. Wipe it off after. But you can see that brat brings it up a treat. You can also do your hubcaps as well if they get grimy, which they do. And again, that will give it a little bit of protection and stop it from getting grubby. And then your rubber seal here, you can do every bit of plastic, even the actual case. And you can see again, if we get the boot, take the boot off, we can clean all that rubber up. And around the back, so a little bit there. And there you go. Now don't forget everything you're using in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so as you can see, the plastics come up really well, and I would recommend the Auto Glim Super Resin Polish on your Kirby. So it's fantastic for cleaning up those plastics and rubbers, gets rid of all that embedded grime and works really well. There will be a link in the description below of where to get it from, so make sure you check that out at the end of this video. Those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing your support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.